Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to screen mirroring with USB cable. Open any browser. Software link will be given in the video description box. Download the software according to your operating system. Wait a moment. Right click download file. Then select show in folder. Extract the file. Enable USB debugging. Click settings. Click additional settings. Then click developer option. Enable USB debugging. Now open folder. Connect your phone to the computer. Now open this file. Select allow. Now again open this file. Thanks for watching.